In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and fix uncategorized transactions in QuickBooks Online using the chart of accounts. If you've ever noticed totals that don't make sense on your reports, uncategorized transactions are often the culprit. These are placeholders QuickBooks uses when it doesn't know which account to post a transaction to. Left unresolved, they can distort your profit and loss and balance-related reports, so it's important to clear them out regularly. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online. On the left-hand menu, open Accounting, then choose Chart of Accounts. This is your master list of accounts and where uncategorized activity usually lands. Look for three specific accounts: Uncategorized Expense, Uncategorized Income, and Ask My Accountant. These are holding buckets. Uncategorized Expense and Uncategorized Income are created by QuickBooks, while Ask My Accountant is commonly used as a temporary parking spot until you or your bookkeeper decide on the correct category. Next to the account you want to review, click Run Report. This opens a quick report that lists every transaction currently sitting in that account. Think of this report as your to-do list for cleanup. To fix an item, click any transaction in the report. It will open the original form. This could be an expense, a deposit, or a journal entry, depending on how it was created. In the form, update the category or account field to the correct account in your chart of accounts. This is the key change that moves the transaction out of the uncategorized bucket and into its proper place. While you're here, review the payee, add or refine the description so it's clear later, and adjust the tax field if your region requires it. When everything looks right, click Save. You'll return to the report, where you can continue working through the remaining items until the balance is cleared. A few important reminders as you go. Uncategorized transactions can cause incorrect financial reports, so don't wait until year-end to address them. Build a habit of cleaning them up before month-end or tax time to avoid last-minute stress. Best practice is to keep these accounts at P0.0s. If you're unsure about a category, temporarily post to Ask My Accountant and leave a clear note so it's easy to revisit. Avoid changing amounts unless you know why they're incorrect. And when in doubt, check with your accountant. And that's it. That's how you find and fix uncategorized transactions in QuickBooks Online using the chart of accounts. Keep these accounts clean, and your reports will stay accurate and ready when you need them.